No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute. All good, just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend.
So it's a 7x5. Oh yes, look at those curls. All right, so it's a 7x5 wig, and it's pre everything. This is how the lace look. So it's pre-cut already and it's pre-bleached. So we're gonna go in. What I love is that they upgraded this wig and they added the drawstring. Okay, yes they did. So it's a middle part. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna show you guys too.
She was from your past. Silly me to dream of one day having your kiss. So blind and she's right when.
Okay, so the wig is on. They did come with the curly hair at the front. So I'm trying to figure out if we're gonna keep these. You can definitely keep them. I've installed my wigs with them already.
Just paused the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days till I wait? Make plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. And I never wanna waste things, shorty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe.
So for now, I am going to leave the hair and let it self dry, and we are going to come back once it's completely dry. You guys will see the difference, but this is how it is wet. I kind of finesse it a little bit, and I love this. It is so cute. I will come back and show you guys once the wig is completely dry, and then we are gonna style it another way. So let me go get dressed while we sit and wait for it to completely dry. I try to blow out some of the water from the hair, but I'm gonna let it self dry, so we will be back. Soon come. Alright guys, this is how the hair look once it is dried down. I did went ahead, change my outfit. I love how it looks. What do you think? Bear in mind it's 20 inches. You guys can pull it down if you may, but this is how I want it, and I like it. I really do like it. We're gonna create another hairstyle. Alright guys, this was very simple, very cute. Curly hair fit me. I really like it, and the texture is so good. I think they upgraded it. I didn't show you guys that the drawstring is at the back, so we're gonna go.
And I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This for